If you're looking to record a live event or a streaming class, or maybe just keep a birthday Zoom call as a memory, in this video, with a few quick easy steps, we'll show you how to activate the screen record option on your iPhone. So let's get started. To get started, we want to get into the settings of your iPhone by clicking on the settings icon. Then we'll scroll down to Control Center. And inside Control Center, we will find Customize Controls. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see Screen Recording. We want to click on the green icon next to it. And if we scroll up to the top, you will see it now listed. Now we can head back to the main screen by swiping our way back. And to start using the feature, we're going to swipe down from the top right hand corner. You'll notice the new record icon at the bottom. We just click on it, it will do a 3-second countdown, and it'll begin recording. Whatever you're doing on your phone while it's recording, it will be stored and saved. To easily stop this, you can click on the timer in the top left hand corner. Or swipe down from the top right hand corner and hit the same icon again, and you'll be prompted to stop. To find your videos, you can go back to your camera or photos icon to find your recordings, and it'll be all listed there. If you're looking for more quick tips, please like and subscribe.